Alright guys, we're finally got a sunny day here. It's real windy, so sorry about the wind noise. Noah's back with me today. He's not feeling the best, but he's ready to rip. Like I said, this is about the first sunny day in about 2 weeks. We got just about every car I got except for 1 or 2 at home. So we got the Talion, the Infraction, Limitless, Notorious, and Noah's got his Losi. So we are gonna give him a rip and have some fun. You ready, Noah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I don't have much of this body.
Yeah, that body is about destroyed. We got a new unbreakable body coming from Russia. Hopefully it's here the next week or 2.
During my trip, they'll be here.
Yeah, probably. Noah's going on a trip. He's going to New Zealand for like 2 weeks. Too bad you can't take your RC car over there, huh?
Yeah. Well, you can ship it in the mail.
You ship it in the mail to you, huh? Noah's on 4S. I got the Talion on 6. Nice, Noah. I can't see him. Where'd it go? They disappeared. Huh? Oh, mine's upside down. There's a little jump. See if you can get some air on it. Noah's out in the cornfield. All right, go. Oh!
Mine was perfect!
There with the wing. I just put that on the other day. Noah got his car stuck on a piece of corn. Uh-oh, now I'm gonna get my car stuck. Hard to do a backflip like that. That body should be here another week or so. I know.
That is random.
Oh,
You're like, I'm gonna do it. And then,
Arrma tough, baby, still rolling.
and then I turned, and then
The wheel fell off.
it was mine.
Here, wait a minute, see if you can find the hub. Hang on, don't move it.
Still attached. Ooh, that's hot though.
Wore the wheel out. Look. Went all the way through the wheel.
What the flip?
Yeah. All right, Infraction and Limitless, it looks like.
Or didn't it help when you hit mine?
Probably not.
Did you charge the battery?
What's that?
Did you charge the battery?
Yeah. It's not going fast? Looks fast to me. Looks fast to me. Here, hang on a second, Noah. Let's race them.
Wanna race?
Okay.
Sit down there. No turning around that hard.
On your mark, get set, go.
And back, and back, and back, and back.
Got a bath. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Slow down. Jeez, you almost hit me. You forget how to drive? You forget how to drive? guys, that'll do it for this video. We broke just about every car. I think the only one left is Noah's Infraction.
Woo!
But we appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to
like and subscribe.
like and subscribe.